Are these aliens? Are they among us?
Well, in the old days, we relied on hearsay and eyewitness accounts. Somebody saw something in the sky, but now we have mountains of videotapes taken by United States Navy pilots. We've analyzed them frame by frame. This is a gold mine of data. We now realize that they travel between Mach 3 and Mach 20, up to 20 times the speed of sound. The g-forces they experience when they zigzag is several hundred times the force of gravity on the planet Earth. They can descend 80,000 feet within a matter of just a few seconds, and apparently they can even dive underwater. Now compare that with modern technology today. We can barely hit Mach 20 with what is called a hypersonic drone. We think that the g-forces are so great that there's probably no person inside these craft. A person would be crushed by the g-forces of zigzagging in the air at that rate. So we think they're probably cybernetic, part mechanical, part biologic, who knows for sure. But then the question is, what are they? Well, it turns out that you're pushing the very boundary of what Russia, the United States, and what China can do. All three countries have admitted that they are working on hypersonic weapons. But this is cutting-edge technology. The United States abandoned hypersonic technology 2 years ago because they were unstable. When you zigzag, you could easily spiral out of control. And so the military said, well, let's put that for a later date. Now, of course, all three powers, China, Russia, the United States, are very much interested in hypersonic drones. But you see, these flying saucers, on the other hand, they go back decades, way before hypersonic drones were being thought of by the militaries. So what are they? Well, the short answer is we don't know. Maybe they're some kind of